guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've just been chilling, you know. I haven't really been feeling motivated and didn't really have a lot of ideas. But I have been wanting to try this for a long time. It's called Peace Out Pores. So if you know me or just in general, like I've been obsessed with those like Bíore like blackhead strips, and I would do them like all the time. I would do here, here, and here until I realized that they're really bad for you. And once I did them on Accutane, and I realized it literally like ripped my skin out, and it was really bad. But this is a very good alternative, and I actually saw it on Snapchat. It was like one of those like beauty channels like trying out this, and actually Skincare by Hiram recommended them. He was in the video, so I'm like, of course I'm gonna get this. So this was $19 at Sephora, and I'm so excited. So basically, this is something I'm very like self-conscious about. Like all these, like, you can't really see them now, but they're like the sebum oils. It's not blackheads or whiteheads. It's basically like all the dirt and oils in my skin. And I know I shouldn't be doing this, but I like to pluck them with tweezers, and I'm a bad picker. And I realized this would be the good way to do it, because I really want to like be satisfying and rip it off, but I don't want to use something that has alcohol in it, and that's really bad for you, like the charcoal ones from Bíore. Drop dead clogged pores. And also, this is an alternative way to unclog pores and stuff like that. Using like a chemical exfoliant will like be very beneficial, way better. But I use an exfoliant, but I don't think it really works to go like deep in the pores like salicylic acid does. But anyways, so this says 4 nose strips and 4 pore strips. And I did all my skincare, and I just ignored this space so like it wouldn't interfere with the pore strip. In a world where you're constantly on display, there's no time to let your skin imperfections kill your vibe. Peace Out, our mission is simple: to give you skin so good you can't help but smile. So this is like the same material as the Mighty Patches, like basically pimple patches in general. It's like a hyalur, I don't know, what is it called? Hydrocolloid. Yeah, that's okay. So there's 1 blackhead and 1 pore strip in each thing, and there's 4. I do say the packaging is very cute. How long you should keep it on. I think it's like 8 hours. I'm just gonna put it on now at 6 and probably take it off when I wake up in the morning. So that's what they look like. My last video of the Mighty Patch was my most successful video, and I'm hoping this video will be too. So I'm just going to use this one right here, and I want to get a mirror. I'll be right back. Okay, I got my mirror right here. And this is my special mirror that I look at all my imperfections. It's kind of dirty. It's really sticky. Looks like a band-aid. Okay. I've seen a lot of videos of people putting this one on the nose by accident, but glad I've done my research. You know what? I think I want to do much of my chin, but when I'm eating dinner, I don't want it to be all like coming off. See, it's kind of just like, you see that? It's like not in there fully, but I think after I, like right before I go to bed, I might put this one on. So, yes, and I'll see you back in like 8 hours or so. And yeah. It's 2 hours later, and you can see some of these like white spots is the oil that's in the sebum. So yeah. Good night. I'm going to bed, and I just put this on. It's been about 3 hours. See you in the morning. Hey guys, so it's 11 a.m. I'm still very tired, but I'm gonna take them off. You can see, oh my god, telling how good it looks. Good. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Just
I don't know what happened to the audio in this, but I'm sorry. It's probably because of my stupid, placement of my phone. But anyways, I wasn't really saying anything, but... Bye!
Okay, so I had to cut the video a little short because my review at the end, of course the audio wasn't working, so I'm going to tell you what I was saying. So I washed my face right after, and it was so smooth, and like the whiteheads and blackheads like that come out in the other blackhead strips wasn't there, and I guess this is a better alternative way, but it just mostly got all the excess oil and stuff. And I realized this morning I could still see all of the white sebum, I don't know what they're called, the oil gland stuff. They were still there, but it just looked like a more smoother layer. But yeah, all in all, I do recommend this. It's a little fun thing to do, but I do think using a chemical exfoliant will help basically shrink your pores and be a better alternative in the long run. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.